Why are the leaves on my avocado tree turning brown? Avocado trees Persea americana are native to tropical America and thrive in tropical and subtropical weather. Evergreen avocado trees grow up to 30 feet tall with 3 to 16-inch long elliptical foliage. A fungal disease causes brown foliage on trees. Identification. Avocado trees are susceptible to Dufio leaf and stem blight caused by Botryospermia spp. and Fusicoccum spp. The disease is common in regions with hot weather. Underwater trees are more prone to the infection. Damage. The disease is characterized by drying, brown foliage that remains attached to trees. Small branches are also killed. Fruit on affected branches shrivels and turns black. Infected foliage on healthy branches displays brown patches on tips and at leaf margins. Leaves on unaffected branches are often necrotic or have yellow patches. Control. Prune and remove all affected tree areas. Dispose of debris away from trees as it could harbor fungal spores. Pay attention to sanitation around trees and keep trees well irrigated, especially during hot weather. Chemical control options include the use of copper hydroxide,